Jackie Chan. Not for me. Cinnamon. No. What's the flap? No sir.
Look at you. Girls be acting up.
Fum. How about you, baby?
Yo, bro. Let me tell you what happened the other night.
Whatever.
I forgot. I should have told y'all earlier.
Whatever.
Yo, you know my girl Sandra, right? Sandra,
the
right?
other that one girl you brought up there?
Yeah. You seen her that one time.
Yeah.
So yo, I finally get her, to come through for a little bit, man.
Okay.
It was late, So I'm like, come man, I ain't wanna stay in no car. I just said, let's go and watch a movie or whatever, man.
Yeah.
She about to come in, right?
Yeah.
Guess what happened?
Other girl came out?
Nah, man. Pops came through. Yeah, I'm going to American Church. My friend invited me Dad, I'll be back, alright? I'll be back.
I'll be back. Hey, où est le moment? Où est le moment?
Pas quitter madame pour vivre dans frustration ou même.
Dad's asleep right now. I'm just going no, I'm making any noise. He don't give a hell. He's asleep. It's okay. It's not gonna get up. This guy never wakes up. He slept through the earthquake. He's not
I'm excited. My dad's asleep. He's not getting up for another 5 hours. Come on. Put on a movie for you. Hang out a little bit. Any movie you want to watch, baby. I pay my Netflix.
He's asleep.
Can come in. Lord.
C'est pas possible. Clic. Clic. Quand il y a la olie à l'église,
I just came.
vous préférez des couper jeune femme. C'est pas vrai? I mean, lick ça là.
She's just my
Hey,
friend.
please. Go to your bed.
I'm sorry. I'm so
Please,
I'm so
go to your bed. It's the time for the sleep. You cannot be coming to my son to come in and then to put my son in the child support. No, it don't make sense like that. Please, go to your bed. Hey, turn him. Put on them.
Man,
Put on.
you gotta be like that.
Vous n'avez pas de moi? Pas de moi? Vous connaissez pas de moi? Eh? C'est pas de moi?
I'm
Ça fait lick. Turn him. Don't come in no more. Dis-moi.
Hey, man. Crazy. Never.
Wow.
Never again. Bro.
Seriously?
I'm straight.
That happened.
Never again.
You gotta keep
He
low
told
key,
her to go
man.
to her bed?
Bro, he's supposed to be wildin', bro. But you never know what to expect,
I don't
bro.
expect a call from her, man.
Look, this dude's trying to sell clothes, man. I never got that part in this movie.
Fresh clothes, man. Remember back in the day, laying your clothes out first day of school?
Fresh fit on the bed, shoes right next to it.
High school days, man. I remember I would pick something out and my dad would come out and just completely disregard everything I laid out. Like, just come out and lay out the complete opposite of what I got on the bed.
Like what? That happened to
So
you?
I'm like, yo,
That happened to you?
You think I'm playing, man? Yo, I remember one night, it was my senior year of high school. I was like 17 years old, man. And then... Oh, no, I'm just getting my clothes ready for home. It's nice, right? Right? Look at it. See, I got the shoes going, the pants, the shirt kind of offset a little bit, but other than this, the outfit,
That's jeans.
yeah,
That's on mine, yo.
yeah. You want me to go with those?
I don't send you to school for fashion. Because they don't steal you.
Listen, you look good, you feel good, you perform good. It's just like a slogan.
About me, what? About me, what? You feel good.
I'm just showing you what I got planned for you. Looks nice, right? You think so? Exactly, man. Relax, man. Come on, stop, man. I'm gonna go get something to eat. You still got the food on the microwave? Alright, whatever.
Chemise. Besoin de colle. Besoin de passer tout le monde. Là. Pour ça, mettez-le. C'est pas pour le style. Ça me met le péché. Comprenez? Et ça va mettre le nez.
Church, like you pulled out a whole church. I wore this.
That's what you are going to wear.
I wore this to church. This exact thing last Sunday.
Why not let go for me? Guada, Gucci, Guada.
It's not even pretty.
Gucci,
It's not even.
Pudi.
What is that? I don't
You
even.
tell me. Ma pour l'école pour ça, c'est l'école, l'église, la caille. Et ça va mettre tous les trois.
God, you want me to wear this?
Yes, exactement.
Dad,
That's what. Oh,
Dad, my clothes is right there. I'm just.
ça va mettre.
I'm not wearing this. What are you doing, Dad?
Dis-moi encore. Tell me again.
All right, I'll wear it.
What?
I'm gonna
Say I'm going to wear that, Daddy. Joel, say, huh? Daddy? You don't say daddy. No. Say the joy in your heart, but then you can't be happy. Daddy? Go back on.
Dad, man,
Daddy?
what you?
Daddy?
Come on, man. Why are you acting
Dad.
like that, man?
My doing self.
What are you talking? Dad, I'm 17. It's my senior year of high school. Like, what's wrong with you?
He whipped you like that. What did he say? Like I they call it what?
Whatever, man.
That happened to me, man.
It's cool though, man.
Haitians are too strict. Dog, that's crazy.
Yeah, it is though. But
Well,
I mean, it's all good.
That's your life.
I mean,
Bro, Haitians are so universal, bro. Like, we all done been through the same stuff. Like, seriously, we all got the same story.
For real.
Everybody that
For real.
can't sleep over, wear church clothes on picture day, first day of school. It's just, that's what it is.
That's life.